Please get ready. 5 seconds. Start. Brothers and sisters, it is my good luck that today I got the opportunity to speak to the people who are actively involved with a scheme that is very dear to my heart, the enterprising youth and the sisters who came out leaving behind tradition. You are such people who built your path instead of following the traditional way, and you built path with courage and willpower. You contributed in a big way to the country's prosperity and happiness. Today, the whole country has joined me in listening to the story of your courage, of the decisions taken by you, of your initiative in this journey through this video conference. Only last month, I had the opportunity to spend some time with the beneficiaries of the Mudra scheme at the Prime Minister's residence. Their experiences, their struggle, and the stories of their progress gave satisfaction and also filled my heart with pride. I had decided that day itself that if I get a chance, I would talk to the Mudra beneficiaries. I would chit chat with them. And today, both your time and my time are being saved because of technology. I can hear your experiences, realize your feelings directly, and no intermediary is required between us. The contribution made by the entrepreneurs like you is very important for the country's economy. You are aware that loan fairs were organized 25 to 30 years ago for political benefit, and the people who were politically affiliated, their minions, contravened, contractors, and those doing vote bank politics, all such people used to get money from banks. A lot of news items were also published that how much bank loan has been given. No one cared to ask what happened thereafter. We neither organized loan fairs nor did we provide space to any broker. The youth of the country, the mothers and sisters of the country, those who wanted to do something on their own, those who wanted to talk to bank officials directly, for them we prepared a product, Mudra Yojana, which became a very big opportunity for those countrymen who wanted to do something. We trusted our small entrepreneurs, we trusted their business skills, we gave them loans under the Mudra Yojana so that they can start their own business and expand it. Mudra Yojana not only created opportunities for self-employment but also has been acting as a job multiplier. Since independence, license regime remained in place in our country. Those who knew someone only, they were able to get loans. The work of only those people was done who had references. In some way or other, this system kept the poor people out of the system because they neither had a big name nor any approach. It was one of the big reasons because of which thousands of small entrepreneurs could neither start their business nor expand them as per their abilities. For financial assistance, they remained trapped under the grip of moneylenders. There was a time in this country when the finance minister himself used to make phone calls for arranging loans for big industrialists. On the other hand, a small entrepreneur used to be trapped in paying 30 to 40% interest to moneylenders in such a way that he could not get out of it in his entire life. This vicious cycle was destined to be broken someday. It was to be broken by someone. We have made efforts in this direction and we have succeeded. We have been breaking apart this vicious cycle. With trust and confidence, with the government's faith in poor people, faith in their dreams, and hard work of poor people. Had the youth of the country got a scheme like Mudra Yojana decades ago, I am sure the problem of migration towards cities would not have been so acute. Young people would do business on their own, staying back in their cities or villages if they were able to avail bank loans without guarantee. Had they got the bank loans on low interest rates. Today, the poorest of the poor is getting bank loan without a collateral. Today, even a common man without any special name or reference can become an entrepreneur with the help of Mudra loan. And today, it is not necessary to have a friend or relative in the government. Today, there is no dearth of talent in the country. Everybody has some skill in one field or another. The need is to recognize that skill and to encourage him. Mudra scheme has been providing strength to these skills of the people, particularly of the youth. When skills are encouraged, then they blossom further and a change is brought about in the life. Suppose someone has a skill in making embroidery on clothes. He or she started a business of making embroidery on clothes by borrowing money under the Mudra Yojana. Gradually, he or she would start a business of designer clothes. Someone got the help in starting his handloom business. In a way, Mudra Yojana has done the job of polishing the skills of the common man. It has done the job of getting recognition of those skills and has done the job of empowering people. Under the Mudra Yojana, an amount of rupees 5.75 lakh crore has been disbursed among 12 crore beneficiaries. At times, it happens that the government has funds for schemes, but it cannot be fully utilized. But you will be surprised to know that Mudra is such a scheme where the loan amount has exceeded the target. Under this scheme, 28% or nearly 3.25 lakhs crore have been given to those people who have for the first time started their business. In a way, these are those people who became employed after a long spell of unemployment. Stop.